Dear students of academics and competitive exams of English, in this lecture 1 model auxiliary, our topic is may. Students, let's understand where we can use may. We use may whenever we want to express some certain expressions in present and future. Now we see how we can use all this. First, our certain expression is permission. Whenever we seek permission from somebody and we depend on the yes and no given by the listener, we use may. May I come in? Generally students use could I come in? Could I come in is very informal expression, and when we use could, we don't wait for yes and no, but when we use may, we have to wait for yes and no. That's why we ask may I come in? May I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am? Expression type 2, only adults may apply for the post. In blue color, some hint is given. It means adults are likely to apply and not likely to apply. Means the chances is not sure, otherwise permission is given to them. Only adults may apply for the post. Means they are allowed, they are given permission to apply for the post. In C, parent may not come with their words. It's a refusal. It means parents are not allowed to come. It means permission is not granted to the parents to come with their children. To express possibility. To express possibility means when we expect something and we are not sure whether this is going to happen or not. When we have 50% chances to happen something, then we use may. My father may come today means I am not sure. Equally, he may come and he may not. It means we have only 50% chances, we have only 50% expectations, then we use may. To express purpose, in rule number 3, to express purpose means when we are doing something with the hope that something is going to happen, means he is working hard and the expectation is passing. I mean to say he is working hard so that he may pass. If we have first part is in present, we use so that, and in the second part we use may. But if we have past tense in the first part, we use might after so that. It's a mandatory. To express concession. Concession means when we show some leniency in some rules or restrictions, or in some opposite ideas, we use may. He may be physically weak, but mentally he is strong. It means there are two things. On one side we are strong and on the other we are weak. In such a condition we use may. In rule number 5, to express a wish, when we bless somebody, we say may God give you success, may you live long. And if you curse somebody, you can also use may. And when we put may in the beginning of the sentence, it's not an interrogative sentence. We should place at the last of the sentence this exclamatory mark. This exclamatory mark. May you go to hell. To express near possibility. Near possibility means then we expect that this will happen near about certainly. It means 90% expectation. He is careless, he may fail. It means his carelessness is the proof. It indicates that he will fail, because careless persons can't be successful. That's why we have a proof his carelessness. It will cause him to fail. That's why we say he is careless. It means carelessness will create a possibility that he will fail. That's why in this to express near possibility we use may. He is careless, he may fail. Dear students, by using this you can fill your omissions, you can correct your errors, and in your writing section they are very useful. So I think you keep on watching all the series of models. Thanks.